So here's a continuation of the shortcuts. We have 17% of 6 meters. So that's saying 6 meters, dividing that into 100 parts, and then finding how much there is in 17 parts. So that gives us 6 divided by 100. 6 divided by 100 times 17, giving us 1.02. That's 1.02 meters, bearing in mind that we started off with 6 meters. Now, if you are really familiar with decimals, all right, we know that 17% is actually 17 out of 100, and we know that when we divide 17 by 100, we have 0.17, and that's because we have moved the decimal place on the right side of 17 2 decimal places to the left. So with that in mind, when you use a calculator, you can straight away key in 0.17 times 6 meters. There you go. 0.17 times 6 meters gives us 1.02. Now with 113%, we're talking at 8 kilograms divided by 100 to find out how much there is in one part, and then multiplying by 113. Now this gives us 8 divided by 100 times 113, giving me 9.04. Now, if you are again familiar with the way percentages change into decimals, we can write 113 over 100. Now, this one gives me 1.13, and that's because we have moved the decimal point 2 decimal places to the left. So we know that 113% is actually 1.13. If you know that straight away, you can then key in 1.13 times 8. So 1.13 times 8 gives me 9.04. And we have to be careful about using the units. So we have 9.04 kilograms here and 1.02 meters. So just bearing in mind that the units are retained.